Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Garden. Today we're going to be talking about Profusion Lemon Zinnia. Did you know that the Profusion series of zinnias was such a breakthrough that multiple colors won All America Selections gold medals, fundamentally changing how gardeners approach summer bedding plants? These disease-resistant powerhouses proved that zinnias could thrive without constant maintenance. No deadheading, no mildew worries, just non-stop blooms. In 1999, the Profusion Series in cherry and orange won AAS gold medals, followed by white, red, two double flower colors representing the best traits of both species: heat and humidity tolerance. Sakata developed this variety for exceptional uniformity, heat tolerance, disease resistance, and compact growth. Profusion Lemon joined the celebrated series as a lighter, brighter version of the original yellow, extending the color palette gardeners could trust for season-long performance. These bushy plants grow 14 to 18 inches high and 20 to 24 inches wide, smothered nonstop all season with cheerful 2-inch daisy-formed lemon yellow blooms. These zinnia brings this zinnia brings cheerful semi-double yellow blooms, 2 inches in diameter, to the landscape with a bushy habit. Typically forms dense, compact mounds up to 18 inches tall on upright, branching stems and spreads 24 inches. The medium green foliage provides a perfect backdrop for the sunny blooms. Blooming profusely all Blooming profusely over a long season extending from early summer to frost, plants maintain their compact, uniform shape without becoming leggy. The flowers feature prominent centers that attract pollinators, while the cheerful yellow petals brighten every surrounding color. Profusion thrives in the sun and heat of summer and asks only for well-drained soil. Water regularly, once or twice a week, or more often in drought. Profusion is highly tolerant of mildew and other foliage diseases and lasts at heat, humidity, and drought. Create a visually appealing pollinator garden that will also repel pests by growing zinnia alongside marigolds, nasturtium, cosmos, sunflower, borage, basil, verbena, and larkspur. Zinnias make excellent companion plants in the garden. Their bright blooms attract beneficial insects and pollinators, which can help protect nearby vegetables and other flowers. Tomatoes benefit as zinnias attract pollinators and beneficial insects that help keep tomato pests in check. Basil benefits from the pollinator activity that zinnias attract. Planting marigolds with zinnias creates a vibrant, pest-resistant border. The go-to zinnia series for disease-resistant and uniformity, Profusion is an outstanding performer in the greenhouse, at retail in containers and in the garden, with extreme heat and drought resistance making it excellent for landscape performance. Easy maintenance with no deadheading required. The compact growth habit means plants maintain their shape throughout the season without flopping. Self-cleaning flowers drop cleanly, maintaining a tidy appearance without intervention. Zinnia flowers can be left in the garden to fully open and feed the bees. They can then cut and enjoy it in your home. Zinnias have their longest possible vase life when harvested fully open. Cutting the zinnias, keeping them flowering all summer long. The more you cut, the more they bloom, with the cut ends sending up multiple blooms. Zinnias are an important late season nectar source for many butterflies, especially monarchs on their migration journey. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this content and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. Until next time.